very greedy, avaricious, very disappointed, crestfallen, very generous, magnanimous, very selfish, egocentric, very calm, equanimous, very detailed, punctilious, very sociable, gregarious, very keen, fervid, very tempting, enticing, very charming, charismatic, very wise, sagacious, very surprised, flabbergasted, very respectful, deferential, very loyal, staunch, very drunk, inebriated, very intimidating, daunting, very clever, ingenious, very crowded, bustling, very irritating, exasperating, very arrogant, imperious, very difficult, arduous, very peaceful, tranquil, very shrewd, perspicacious, very interesting, spellbinding, very funny, uproarious, very poor, indigent, very clean, immaculate, very angry, irate, very heavy, hefty, very light, feathery, very beautiful, pulchritudinous, very angry, fuming, very wealthy, affluent, very poor, destitute, very scared, petrified, very large, gargantuan, very small, minuscule, very hot, sweltering, very detailed, meticulous, very thirsty, parched, very talkative, verbose, very irritable, cantankerous, very angry, vexed, very kind, benevolent, very stubborn, obdurate, very lazy, lackadaisical, very unemotional, phlegmatic, very noisy, clamorous, very cheerful, ebullient, very appalling, egregious, very insightful, percipient, very tasty, toothsome, very abusive, vituperative, very charming, entrancing, very boring, humdrum, very sacred, sacrosanct, very argumentative, pugnacious, very rude, discourteous, very distrustful, cynical, very negative, pessimistic,